Let's be honest about what we just saw in Geneva. This wasn't some noble human rights gathering. It was a stage, carefully set up to push a very specific narrative about Pakistan. The kind we've heard before, just repackaged for a global audience. Look at Dr. Naseem Baloch. He talks about justice and oppression.
It is a case for which thousands of our young men and women are enduring torture in undeclared detention centers of Pakistan.
But there are serious questions about his background and associations, especially his links to the figures like Allah Nazar Baloch. That alone makes you pause and ask, who exactly is speaking here and on whose behalf? Then there's Manzoor Pashteen. He started as a voice for grievances, but over time, his tone has shifted from raising issues to openly challenging the state in ways that only deepens divisions.
We were involved in the military.
And Akhtar Mengal, he's been in power multiple times. If things were truly as broken as he now claims, what was happening during his years in office? That's a fair question, one people on the ground are already asking. The truth is, this entire narrative feels disconnected from reality. Because while these voices grow louder abroad, back home, millions of Baloch are getting on with their lives, studying, working, participating in the system, and hoping for stability and progress. That's the part you don't hear in these conferences. And maybe that's the biggest gap between the story being told and the reality on the ground.